Yeah guys, from when you hear the voice
and you see the face,
you don't know Chef Reid
and Chef Alexander here,
coming to you with our next epic video guys. So here what we want to know for do. Check the description. Check it out. Tell what we want. And remember to like while watching to the end. No stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it. Drop a comment. Don't forget it.
Yeah guys, so take in the intro.
We're soon forward.
We're soon forward.
Here are the 3 simple ingredients we'll be using to make our chickpea gnocchi. We have our flour, mashed potato, and our curried chickpea.
Alright guys, so we're gonna add the flour and the mashed potato in this mixing bowl. We're gonna combine it together. We're gonna make some small balls by using the cling, but with all that guys, we're gonna add the chickpea inside of that, and we're not using no eggs guys, because the gnocchi is simple and we're not boil it or we're not saute it. We're gonna bake this guys, so just watch what go on guys. Yeah guys, we're there again. So first we're gonna start with the flour. Now I'm gonna add the mashed potato guys. I'm gonna get this all in one. We'll mix it together guys. And remember guys, we're not using any egg. This is very simple guys. Normally it's potato crush with flour and eggs, but we're not using any egg this time guys.
Yes guys, so we're just minusing the egg but everything else.
Yeah guys, so these are the Italian dumpling without an egg.
See, it's coming together nicely. Yes guys, all that kneading.
Alright guys, we're now going to roll this out on the board. We're now going to powder the board with the flour. We just put this in the cling as we tell you. Put the chickpea in it. Twist it, give it a shape. On a tin sheet, we greased in the oven guys. And then we braise it with some butter. So watch what I go on. Yeah guys, so now we are going to rub on some butter on the tin sheet.
The reason for adding the butter on the tin sheet is to prevent sticking, and this gives easy access when removing. Yes guys. All buttered up and ready.
So first, we'll add a little flour on the cling. Just a small amount. Get it all around on it.
Evenly spread.
Then you pinch a piece of the dough.
Even it out in your hand a bit.
Careful because I don't want this to break or tear.
I want an even shape.
You can place it right there in the middle on top of the flour that you have just spread it on the
Cling.
And now we're gonna add our chickpea guys.
Now you realize this is a small dough that we roll out, so we're just gonna add 4 chickpea.
So first we bring up the sides
to get that all covered.
Then we bring up the sides of the cling as well.
shaping process happening
then
now,
we
guys.
start to twist it up.
Yes.
To get the shape you want.
Firm and tight.
Yes, guys. Tight. Okay, so now we'll remove this from the clay.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys.
Beautiful.
So that's what we want to achieve, guys. That is what we want to achieve. So now I'm gonna put this on the tin sheet.
Alright, guys, and we are catching it back when all of them on the tin sheet and in the oven, okay? Yes, guys, so we're gonna do this again. For all the persons who didn't understand before, we're just gonna pinch the sides to get that chickpea covered. Perfect. Now we're gonna use the cling to get it in the shape that we want. Notice that the cling is floured a bit. That is to give easy access when removing this. Twist firm and tight till the shape that you want is achieved. Time to remove. Give this a shape check. Perfect. Onto the tin sheet. Yes, guys, so we're gonna give this a glaze with that butter, melted butter. Yes, guys, ensure that it is all covered, and we'll place this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at an oven temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. Alright, guys, time to put it in the oven. Alright, guys, in the oven it goes. So we're gonna catch you back when we're giving it the first oven check. Alright, so until then. Yes, guys, so we're back again, our first oven check. We're gonna give this a next glaze with that butter.
Soon ready, guys. So right now I'm gonna give them 3 more minutes in the oven, guys.
Next time you'll be seeing us is when we'll removing this.
And remember, guys, to watch the video to the end.
Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell. Like and drop a comment down below. And feel free to share this video and try this recipe. Our Instagram is in the description down below. You can send those pictures on there. And in they go again. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna see you back again and know what time it is. Ready, them ready.
Yeah, so guys, you saw them bouncy? So them bouncy?
Yes. That's what we want to achieve.
Fluffy and nice. Bouncy, and it don't have no egg, guys. So you know what we're going now. Now we'll take them out.
Yes, guys. Get a better view.
All of the vegan them, subscribe now. Because I'm telling you, so we have some epic vegan dish for you. Watch what go on, man. You know what come next. The banger plating.
Yes, guys. So just go on, stay tuned and watch what go on. Yes, guys, you don't know what time it is. From gonna see the plate, the epic plate in I go come here now. So just take it in. Watch what I want, guys.
One that, you know, guys. You see what I want. Number few. Call it number 2.
Alright.
Now put him in there. Left him out this one. One thing, guys.
Alright. Tell what you think in the comment section down below. If you think we put him in, I'll make him stay right there. So.
I always say what epic, you know, guys. That one, yeah. Epic! Alright, I'm gonna go and garnish it now.
Look at that, man. Adding life to the plate.
Tell me what you think in the comment section, in guys.
Yes, guys, a lot is going on in the description also, so feel free to check that out.
All of the vegan them wanna subscribe yet? Subscribe now. Tell me what I go on. Tell me how you like this.
And if you're new here, feel free to check out the rest of our videos. You have a lot vegan going on.
Whole heap of vegan something. Guys, I say, I true no know what go on around here. Think I'm not normal? Not normal around here, guys. Get a little closer there.
Bring them closer
there.
there.
See what I go on there. Chickpea dumpling, the Italian dumpling known as the great gnocchi. Check it out. Or take,
or twist,
or way.
Alright, perfect appetizer, guys. Tell us what you think in the comment section.
But hold on now. I don't warm up that, but they left out something. Watch what I go on.
Alright, guys, if you now watch, tell them they leave out though. Yes, guys. Don't know what it missing though. That veg.
Can't complete the meal without the veg, guys.
Though.
Take it in.
Yes, guys. So there you have it. Our curried chickpea gnocchi. Though, first when you see this, and over here, so. Alright, everything we do here, or twist, or take, or wait. Until next time,
Bye, foodies!